Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. It's really nice to see you over at this weekend. Alright, I know there are plenty of people right now, you are celebrating, and it's really great, right? I guess it's really a great change, right? Okay, so now it should be a time, right? It should be a time right now about us, okay? really congratulations, President Joe Biden. And of course, we have to remember someone very important here as well, and she is Kamala Harris. Alright, Kamala Harris. Alright, so really very good. Alright. Well, good evening, everybody. Hi, Matthew. Nice to see you here online with me. And this is a live telecast over here. Well, I am here to actually brief everybody, okay, and congrats our U.S. President and our Vice President, Kamala Harris. Well, she's very important. She's holding a very important role as well. So, I hope everyone must also pay attention to her. Well, okay, I think right now we have gone through this a very tight race during this past 1 week, okay, since U.S. President election. All right, so I guess everybody must be wondering. So the days coming, how am I going to do? What am I going to do for my trading? Am I right? Okay, so now I hope Eric is here online with you. So I hope everybody can share this YouTube out for me. Okay, so you can get more audience in and let's have fun together. All right, let's share the information together. All right, so what am I going to say today? Of course, apart from all the congratulations, okay, all the thank God, everything, all right. So of course we still have to learn something in the days ahead of us, okay. Hi Edmund, nice to see you here. Right, thank you guys for coming in. I think this is a Sunday evening and it's going to be relaxed for you, right? Okay, so I'm here today, of course, to share with you my views on the days coming, okay, ahead of us, what's the future. But I can't tell the future, but I only know it's going to be a bright future for us, all right? Okay, so this video, okay, let me give a disclaimer. So everything here is going to be on my personal point of view, nothing to do with anyone, any corporation, okay, just sharing, okay, my personal thoughts, all right? Okay, so 我在这里呢也是会用中文大家一起聊聊一下 ，OK， 好吧 ？So people from YouTube, I know there are people from Dubai, people from Europe, and of course from Asia. But I will be sharing in English and also Mandarin. All right. OK， 你好 ，Greg， 你好 ，OK，So 你好，大家都好。我今天呢来这边真的是非常的感谢 ，OK， 你们的时间抽空来到这里呢，来看看我的这个样子到底长得怎么样了哈。OK， 好的，那么在这里呢，当然非常的这个有一种心情，有一种就是要恭喜我们的美国总统。拜登终于哈，我们的拜登先生呢，终于没有白等了哈 ，OK， 终于不负众望拿下了这个荣衔，成为了世界的 First Man，OK， 当然我们也要恭喜 OK 我们的 Kamala Harris，OK， 我们的 Vice President，and is a historic person right now，OK。So 我们在这里呢，接下来我们的交易展望是要怎么做的啦哈，这个又是一回事了。我们真的是要跟着大家，就是一起来在往将来的日子，一个美好将来的一个日子里面呢，可以去好好的过。那么有怎样的一个展望呢？我不知道，因为我不是总统嘛，对不对 ？OK，Well back to English. Okay, so like I say, I can't tell the future. I can't determine what the future is going to be like, and of course I can't tell what Mr. President, okay, Mr. President Joe Biden, okay, I don't know what he is going to do, but I believe he is going to heal Americans, okay, and America. Well, okay, let's go back, okay. There are certain point of time that we can't deny, okay, we can't deny that. Former president actually contribute a lot to U.S. economy. Indeed, he did a very good job in the U.S. economy. All right, of course, like a previous Mr. Obama, okay, I have to salute him. Good. All right, so over here, whoever you are at this stage as a president, okay, I believe Mr. Joe Biden will be doing a job better, okay, like the former presidents, they are always seeking for improvements. Am I right? Okay, so thank you so much, Mr. Joe Biden. You have you really fight very hard. I can see, okay, at your age, and I know you are on the media almost for more than 48 hours. This is something I'm perfectly, no, I should say I'm totally impressed. Thank you so much. Okay, and you are doing so much for the Americans and the world as well. You have so many plans, you know, for us as well. We are looking forward in your fantastic plus marvelous leadership for the rest of the world. Okay, and we are also going to strive hard in our own country to have a peaceful world and also a very stable economic growth in future. All right. So, well, now let's come back. I'm not a politician, so let's not talk about any more politics. But whatever it is, okay, we are going into a new stage and the era of Democrats leadership over here, and I believe it's going to be something new and breakthrough over here for us this round. Okay, this round. Okay, let me go back to the Mandarin. OK， 那么在接下来的日子呢，我们呢有了我们的这个拜登总统了，总统这个的领导之下，我相信全世界呢，我们大家呢都一定会有一个很美好的前景吧。投资者，我相信你一定有很好的前景。那么呢，会让我们呢可以在接下来的这一段日子里面，在你的领导之下呢，我相信大家都会做得好。OK， 好了，那么再来的话呢，就是在我们的这个交易旅程里面，接下来我们会怎么做呢？好多人就是在这个交易的这个过程里面这个交易的过程，好多的猜疑在说这个选举的过程，我们呢是不是会遇到怎么样的一种情况啊？然后呢，会不会担心交易美金会不会有很大的亏损啊？这个货币的走势会不会很大啦？这些东西对不对 ？Alright, so same thing, you know, okay. Over the time, okay, whereby in this for the past few days, for the past 4 days, okay, a lot of traders in the world, I wouldn't say in the world, okay, in certain parts of the world or bits and pieces here and there, okay, certain groups of traders, you may be wondering, how my trading going to be like along the voting journey? Am I right? Okay, there's a lot of hesitation, a lot of worries, you know, but it's over. Okay, so another worries comes in again after the election. Okay, this morning. All right, when the result actually announced, okay, you can see a lot of Americans celebrating in front of the White House. Yes, okay. So it's very interesting. No matter what it is, okay, what lies ahead is all determined in your hand. Okay, so this is very important over here. Well, so what lies ahead now after the election? The pre-election strategy at the moment of the voting period. What is the strategy? And now post-election strategy. All right. Well, what is going to be like? Okay. Well, questions like so this week how do I fare myself? Okay. Well, okay. I have a few trades. Okay. Like I say. This round is a U.S. president, so majority will be very focused on the currency associated with dollar. Am I right? So some people may guess, okay, Mr. Trump, okay, Mr. Donald Trump, if he wins this election, USD will goes up. Okay, if Mr. Joe Biden win, this USD may go down. Well, okay, let me tell you, all these are all retail trader guessing. Okay, it's all guessing. Maybe there are some research. Okay, but according to retail trader first, I will talk about it. That I will put it in a way that it's all about some, economies are one here. They will be talking. Okay, the opposite way. Whoever who hits the jackpot, whoever will get the fame. Am I right? Retail trader, okay, stay clean, stay clear. Okay, stay clean, stay clear. Up here, all right. So just need, all you need to do is to, okay, just focus on the movement daily, all right, and just know bits and pieces about the news. What are the plans ahead? What are prospects? Okay, prospective plans ahead that are going to help the world. Okay, and I believe that will be good enough for us. Okay, back to Mandarin again. 所以好多这个时候啊，那个在这个投选的时候嘛，对不对？好多这个散户交易员呢，其实啊就已经开始了，就是在猜疑说，如果这个 Donald Trump 呢 ，OK， 特朗普呢会赢的话，美金就会上升啊，或者是拜登赢的话，美金会下跌啊。OK， 其实我倒觉得说，在散户的思维里面，这些我把它称为就是猜测。好不好？没有实际上的一些 facts and figures，OK， 没有一些实际上的一些资料，我完全是不会就是说会哪一个上任，哪一个委任为总统的时候呢，那个美金就会上升还是会下滑哈，好不好 ？OK， 其实在这个接下来的日子啊，我们在做交易的时候呢 ，OK， 我们的策略应该要是怎么样的，好不好？那么不管是谁上任都好，其实当下呢，当我们在做这个交易的时候，我们还是得要按照当下的情况的走势来决定我们呢是否呢应该要不要进场啊？那么呢，我们进场的时候呢，我们是否呢要不要在这个时候做多还是做空？是不是啊？那么做空的时候，我们是要用怎么样的一种方式往下做空？在怎么这样的局势要往下做空，对不对？好了 ，ACS 的会员们呢、学员们呢，你们其实都知道说，在 ACS 里面我们都是做空的，对不对？都是做空的哈，就是往下跌的。OK，so in ACS Learning Hub, all our students know that in ACS Learning Hub we are actually doing a short selling. So how do we do a short selling after this election? There are strategy. Is there a standard strategy or is there a sure win strategy that we will actually needed for this post-election? Alright, so today I'm here to actually to share with you some bits and pieces, tips, no, not tips, but some information, okay, for post-election trading. Alright, so how do we trade the short during this period of time? Okay, well, of course, Mr. Joe Biden has actually elected for the president, okay? But of course, during this period of time until January, okay, I wouldn't say the date because I guess the date may not be fixed or confirmed, okay, for the official president sittings to be announced to take over the whole White House, right? Okay, so right now, okay, what we are going to do, is that, okay, this period of time they will still have some turbulence, okay, turbulence, alright, okay, 所以在这个期间里面呢，从今天一直到1月的时候呢，我们的这个拜登总统呢，他还没正式就是接管整个这个白宫，然后呢，也还没有正式上任。虽然被选中，可是还没哈，所以这个时候呢就是这个 handover 的那个阶段，所以在这期间里面呢 ，OK 还是会有很多的震动哈 ，OK。Alright, so during this period of time, there's a lot of turbulence. Of course, not forgetting next month in December, okay, this year is going to be a bit different. In the past, a lot of us in the retail line, okay, in the retail trader market, I believe, okay, we will stop trading around 20th of December. Am I right? Okay, so this year, because of COVID-19, or some people may call it as a coronavirus, it's going to be a bit different. Plus, U.S. elections, okay, and Mr. Boris Johnson from UK going to leave EU without any deal. I'm not sure. So it's tentatively states the date actually set at the 31st to leave. Am I right? So when? Okay, I am looking forward for the day. Okay, so 我们这个期间一直到1月的时候呢，今年的这个交易的这个时间会跟往常有一点差别。那个差别在哪里？就是往常呢都差不多12月20号的时候呢就开始没什么，就不什么交易了哈。那么不什么交易的时候呢，我们就在想这个怎么办呢？今年是不是有特别的东西呢？有，今年呢就是因为有这个疫情的关系啦，那么美国总统选举还有这个脱欧 OK 事件在这个12月底31号，暂时是31号要准备就是脱欧了哈。所以现在呢，很多的这些谈判就是一直在进行着。所以现在目前为止这样看的话呢，我们呢在这里在看这样的情形，我们呢就是在看说现在 OK。也许今年会有一点特别，就是一直会有交易下去OK， 除了 Christmas 没有以外啦OK， 还有 New Year 没有以外 OK， 所以呢还是会有很多的波动 OK， 这波动的这个量还是很大的，所以大家在交易的时候呢都得要小心，好不好？好，那么我等一下呢，接下来我就要跟你们一起分享，就是说接下来呢我要怎么做交易，在这样的市场里面如何做空。好不好？我们要了解到外汇市场的一些基本的原理，好不好？不是单单在看我的影片然后就觉得你是一个 expert 了No， 不是这样Alright, so guys, so come back here. I'm not gonna hold up too long for your Sunday night, okay, and your Sunday morning and afternoon. Alright, not morning, sorry, afternoon. Okay, so. What I'm going to share with you over here, right? I will start off with English. 我先用英文讲解先because everybody know my Mandarin sucks. Okay, so let me go with English first, so that the flow will be positive, will be smooth. Okay, right, guys. Remember, come on, do me a favor. Click on that button, subscribe button. Okay. Share the video out for me. Alright, I will be very, very grateful. Alright, thank you so much. Okay, and I will be sharing with you what are some of the basic logic knowledge in forex trading. Okay, so a lot of us we actually rely a lot of MT4 chart or your web trader, the charting, the candles. Right, so all this actually gives you a lot of information. By looking at all these, you may be a patternized trader whereby you trade on a pattern, or you may be MA, moving average, RSI, relative strength index, okay, Bollinger Bands, whatever. They are all profitable system whereby you can make money from there. Okay, so it's going to be interesting. All right, but however, the very important part over here, whereby a trader should actually know, what is the logic behind all this movement? Am I right? I guess this is very important because if you know institutional traders, you don't really have any indicators. You know, indicators are for reporting only, but an institutional trader actually know the logic of the movement, and that is where they always have a consistent profit throughout years after years after years. Am I right? So this is what we are looking for, right? So in the past, a lot of us actually looking for fast cash from forex trading, fast money, big money. But I think coming to this era, I think it's totally different. Am I right? It's totally different. So 现在呢，来到这个的时候哈，我们在说的就是就是在这个市场里面嘛，我们在之前啊，好多人都是看着一种不同的指标也好啊 ，OK， 那些指标名字我就不会啦，华语的哈，很抱歉哈，OK， 所以所谓的指标呢，还都是赚钱的哈，只要我们了解外汇的那个交易原理，好不好 ？OK。Alright, so 回到这里的时候呢，我们就说的哈，之前呢我的影片呢，相信在几个星期前，这已经是第7集了吧哈。这7个星期以来呢，当我在分享我这一个星期交易的过程，我的心情，还有我们在一起交易所遇到的，那么我们怎么去应对它，好不好？那么我们呢，我们也当然是非常的一个非常认真，对于市场上呢的每一个举动，因为在外汇市场啊，你看那些在银行啊，在交易机构里面的交易员啊，他们呢在做交易的时候呢，他们为什么就是只利用指标来做汇报的工作，而没有什么真正的去用指标，所谓的指标来帮助交易呢？就是单单只是看这几根蜡烛啦，啊，在其他国家可能叫 K 线啊，就已经知道是怎么样的去交易。其实有一些东西是不能透露了哈。不过就是在这个市场里面呢哈，我们呢可以做到的东西，其实就是你知道会有要了解外汇的交易运作的背后的原理，那才是真正可以让你持续赚钱的东西来的，好不好？ OK， 所以在这里啊，回到英文来说了哈。Okay, let's come back to English. Alright, so what I'm going to share with you, okay, in the days, okay, ahead of us, okay, well, especially tomorrow, I believe a lot of us has already seen a lot of videos in YouTube, Facebook, and any social media is going to tell you that there is going to have a big gap tomorrow, okay, and the spread is going to expand. Because of all these economy changes, all right, are you going to be alarmed with that? Well, in the first place, you have nothing to be alarmed because it's already fixed. If you didn't close any trade on the Friday, you are fixed. You are fixed. Okay, so let's see. No matter what it is, okay, you already know what's going to happen. If you have already choose to hold a trade over the weekend, so I believe you are going to answer for the consequences. Alright, so not to worry about whether the Monday gap is going to gap onto your TP or your SL is fixed. So let's move on. Okay, well, and what are we going to experience over here, okay, in months to come? Well, I think for December and January, right, so we have a lot of movement and a lot of company closing their accounts and are going to report the profits of the year, am I right? So there'll be a lot of turbulence. Alright, so if you are going to grab big profits, okay, like maybe some retail trader may be saying like some medium terms to long term 400 pips, 500 pips, okay, I would say there may be a lot of changes. So how? When there's a lot of changes, be safe. Keep your money safe, alright? Keep your investment safe, okay? Of course, you have to condemn it. Definitely you have to condemn it, okay? So you have to condemn it by telling yourself, if you see opportunity, grab it. Please don't force it through, okay? Please don't force it through, alright? So long as there is any, I'm talking about short, I'm talking about short, okay? So I'm talking about short selling. If there is any support level that comes along, okay, in the way that you're reading of the change of direction, whether it is going to have a permanent change, tentatively change, temporary change, all right, no matter what it is, okay, close the trade, out you go. That is how you're going to grab your profit conservatively, because during this period of time, okay, the turbulence is unpredictable. So there will be a lot of unforeseen circumstances. Alright, OK， so 讲回华语好不好？好，在这个期间里面呢，因为刚才我说了，波动会很大，对不对？当波动很大的时候呢，我们再也不要去想什么中长线啊，就是散户每天讲的中长线400点、500点那种哈。OK， 或者我也不懂几百点呐、好不好？总而言之呢，就是呢，在这个波动很大的这个期间，而且这个波动呢，还会遇到的情况有一种就是。会有一波来一波就走，一波来一波就走，很快的。所以呢，可能你做空的话，我们做空的话呢，记得在我们的大图形里面呢，稍微有一个支撑点一出现的时候呢，我们呢就先落袋为安，好不好 ？OK， 先落袋为安了哈。所以在落袋为安的那个情况下呢，先收一点钱下来有赚钱就好。这样的话呢，就不会让自己那么的担忧，那么的憔悴，哇，那种崩溃的感觉。明明是浮盈变浮亏，那就不好了哈，是不是？OK，so 记得那么你是做空的，只要在大图形的力度里面呢，稍微有支撑，看到方向，不管它是永久性要反转。还是暂时回调都好，先出场，落袋为安，把钱收起来，放进 pocket 里面，好不好 ？OK， 然后呢，我们才找另外一个进场点，因为这个期间我们真的不知道会发生什么事情，好不好 ？OK，right， so come again. Do you know some trading idea? Okay, maybe you can say it's by me, alright? Well.In fact, I'm a trader in the market, so all the thing here is all from the market itself. Okay, all right. So, and I'm going to I'm going to share with all of you is that in this forex trading, okay, there are times that certain period there will be a change of direction.Certain part of the chart, there will be a change of direction, correct? Okay, when it's going long, and when it comes down, short, definitely there is a point whereby you can find the change of the directions. You must be able to find where and which part is the change of the directions which will help you.Okay, which will help you greatly in your trading. Alright, so do it this way. Okay, I'm going to share with you when we are doing short. Alright, when we are doing short, as long as anything that hits on the support, ouch. Ooh, okay, the support. Look at this support. Right. So anything that's going to hit on the support, the rock bottom of this borderline. Okay.It's going to be dangerous, am I right? Well, now, I'm going to do short. I am not somebody in the market, okay, who is an influencer, who are able to influence the market to go according to my directions, to my trading, am I right? I can't be that person. Retail trader, don't dream on, okay?Dream on, man, if you think you are the one that you can change the market trend. No, it's impossible, correct? So remember to float and flow with the market, okay? So what are we going to do, all right? What are we going to do? If you're doing a short position, if somebody was doing a short position, everyone knows that in my YouTube, I will be posting my focus trading, all right, daily, except for the past few days, okay, because I'm busy doing my trading as well, okay. There is no focus trading ACC floating around in front of me at all, because the first day when the 4th of November in Asia, all right, 4th of November in Asia, which is the 3rd of November in America, you see the USD is so strong whereby everything crashed down. Do you still remember? Years back when we trade in president election for 12 hours online in YouTube. Do you still remember that? Basic 14 hours online in YouTube. Still remember that? Do you still remember? The previous US president election. Everything crashed down and we can grab profit so easily. But in the night, whereby the election result is coming near and post the whole thing, bam, up. Am I right? Okay. So the pattern didn't change. It's still the same. So everything goes down. Okay. So what we are going to do? We have two groups. Each group consists of 3 basic currency pairs. One group over here, okay, we are talking about one group over here. We are talking about Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, Pound dollar. 3 of them. Am I right? So when the USD is growing so strong, naturally these 3 they drop. Am I right? Good catch. Well, after that drop, roller coaster went down. There will be a point of time it hits on the changing of the direction period where I identified, and it changed. Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, Pound dollar, it start to gains. Am I right? And now the other group of 3, dollar yen, dollar CAD, dollar franc, the 3 of them, what happens? Boom, 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 correct? Okay. Or now, during the time whereby the dollar is going weak, the first group of the Aussie, Euro, and Pound, okay, they are dropping. The dollar went up. But when these 3 are growing, they are gaining the strength back. Dollar yen, alright, dollar yen especially, it went back, correct? I'm not talking about any political issue. I'm just talking about the trend during that day, alright? So you see, I believe some of you may capture dollar CAD, dollar franc, dollar yen, okay, one shot about 40 over pips, 50 pips, okay? And when it comes, especially for you, dollar yen, when I see that it's hitting on the support of our general strength and the general trend, it seems like it's turning. It seems like we are testing on the limits at that point of time. Okay, yes, indeed, it did retrace, okay, for a few, and then it comes back again, and it dropped even more, okay, on the Friday. Am I right? Well, and it drops, I think, if I remember correctly, okay, it hits on the support of 2016. Okay, it hits on the support of 2016. Yes, indeed. All right. So good job, guys. Whoever have seen my video, who knows what I have briefed about the lower low, you capture it. Well done. Okay. So then again, in these coming months, okay, we are going to trade. We are going to enter a trade. Okay, we are going to enter a trade according to the currency pair that you are focusing on. First of all, you really have to draft out. You really have to know what are the currency pairs you are going to trade for the day. Okay, and over here, once you know all these currency pairs that you are going to trade for the day, please focus well. Okay, please focus well. When you focus them, you must check every 4 hours. Okay, if there's any changes. Okay, you are not analysis. Neither am I. Okay, so I can't predict the future like God. So why not? Once we have picked up the focus currency, every hour we have to check. Every 4 hours we have to change our perception, reset our mindset again, and start to check what the market is behaving again. Alright, so this is the kind of a strategy that you should have. The strategy ahead is to monitor what is the market reacting, behaving at a point of time. Alright, okay. Oh God, I've forgotten about the Mandarin side. Okay, let's come back to the Mandarin. Alright, so 刚才我说到就是当我们在交易的时候呢，重点啦哈。长话短说，我们不要去猜疑这个哪一个总统上任呢，美金是不是会大涨啊，或者会大跌。在我们的11月4号 ，OK， 就是我们亚洲时间的时候早上，我 我发了这个一个影片出来的时候呢，就告诉大家说，我们有2组货币对嘛，一组呢就是澳美、欧美、磅美，另外一组呢就是美加、美瑞、美日，对不对？好不好？所以这有2组。所以当美金一脆弱的时候，这组呢，美加、美瑞、美日就往下大跌，那么这3个货币呢就会往上涨嘛，对不对？所以在那一天的时候，这3个货币呢大跌哦。那么大跌的时候，也就是美金在大涨嘛，是不是？好了，那么一波完了之后，美金在狂跌的时候呢，这3个就大涨了。所以在那几天呢，其实我们已经大约都知道。这2个是在跷跷板嘛，这2组都在跷跷板，对不对？所以这2组在跷跷板的，我也很开心啊。我们 ACS 里面学生呢，有人拿了40几个点啊，一直有10几个点这样出场啊，很好。OK， 这样的话呢，接下来的日子，是不是也是这样呢？啊，接下来的日子可能就不是这样了哈。接下来的日子呢，最好的策略，我就要跟你们分享这个策略。当我们在做空的时候呢，记得。我们呢要到了一个阻力的时候呢，来到一个压力点啊，可以做空的时候有一个压力点的时候往下做空，那么呢有看到呢更低价的时候呢 ，OK， 我们就知道这个市场已经消化了好多的多单量，那么我们有办法就是继续做空。不过当然我们也要看到这边哈，在这里有看到吗？这个啊，这个哈电视机下面那个哈。这个根本就是一个支撑嘛，是不是？你试试看，敲看，哎呦，会痛的哦，所以呢，就不要去尝试突破它，好不好？要的话呢，就等它回调上来，遇到了一个所谓的阻力啊，就是我们的压力位置的时候才进场啊。那么当然就要看看这一段啊，到我的进场点呢，差不多有多少个点数的时候，足够你要的 TP 点吗？啊，这样的话呢，才进行我们的交易，好不好？ OK， 好了，那么 so coming back here, alright, I over here in this trading in these 2 months, okay, before January or during January, okay, we know that Christmas is coming. Is it time for me to celebrate Christmas and go for countdown? Okay, guys, please keep yourself safe. Okay. Be a responsible human being in this planet. Okay, let's stay away from the crowd. Okay, so that we are able to keep the growing of the coronavirus dying. Don't keep them growing, keep them dying down, so that we can go out in a very soon, in a short time of period, we are going to get out of this pandemic. Okay, so. I hope everybody play a part. Stay at home, okay, study the chart, read what is the behavior. At that point of time, then we start trading. Okay, right? 所以我们这个时候，我知道大家都想，哇，这个圣诞节要来了，圣诞节要来了，好，那么很期望，很期待可以一起去狂欢。当然最好不要哈。我们在这个作为人类，我们现在面对最大的敌人，那么呢，我们人类呢不要再争了。我们这个时候我们就好好的团结起来，好不好？把这个疫情给压下去。这样的话呢，在家里呢，我们去看图形，呢，讲这个交易 ，Eric 老师所讲的，在这里面，他如何碰到支撑反弹的时候，遇到阻力或者压力。开始下滑的时候的那个阶段，你能不能开始做交易啊？我们都开始去注意当下的市场的走势。那么呢，这样的话，我们呢更熟练。明年2021年的话呢，注意哦，是我们外汇交易员很好交易的一年哦。Okay, so. Next year we are entering 2021 is going to be a good year for forex trader, okay, especially us. Okay, hi Nicholas, nice to see you here. Thank you for the time watching my video, and it's so nice of you to say a hi to me. Thank you. Okay, have a good evening on the Sunday night. Well, okay, so over here I hope everyone stay safe. Okay, I will still be sharing with you what are the trading strategy every weekly. Okay, then I hope all these little knowledge bit and pieces will actually help you. All right, because you already have attended my class, attended my course, you know what are the basic. So right now, you learn the skill, but you have not get the strategy. You have to know the strategy. Ding, ding. Okay, right. So I will be sharing with you a lot of strategy that helps me. Okay, that no, not helps, but help me and helping me all this year. Okay, staying here as a full-time trader, surviving all these years with all these Brexit, so many years of so many rounds of US president elections. Okay, and now COVID-19. How are we going to trade and maintain ourselves as a consistent, profitable traders? Okay, all right. Thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, and I would like to say a heartfelt gratitude for all of you, and from the bottom of my heart, we are staying very strong, and I will see you very soon. Okay, guys, right? So remember, not just having the skill, but the strategy is also very important. Okay, right? So it's a great Sunday. Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub shall wish all of you have a great Sunday. Clear off your mind, everything for the past 1 week. Have a good rest, okay, and get yourself prepared for tomorrow. Okay, trust me, 2021, tomorrow is the good build up for 2021, a good journey for trading. Okay, as long as you follow me. Yeah, okay, happy-go-lucky guys. Okay, coming up here doing live with you. Hope to have a lot of communication with you. Okay, so that we are going to share with each other, learn from each other, and get profitable trade each day from each other. Okay, that's what I love to do now. Okay, yep. Okay, so thank you so much tonight. See you guys. And I hope you love my sharing. Share it out for me as well. Subscribe to my YouTube. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube. Okay, I'm not going to have forex trading chat only. I'm going to have more things, more personal thoughts, inner thoughts. Well, my inner self, I don't know what's there. Okay, I'm going to share a lot with all of you. All right. Well, I hope all of you will love this video. I hope it's helpful. And times to come, I will have chat behind me to explain more things, more knowledge, more strategy with you. Okay, guys? All right. Have a good rest and good night. Have a great Sunday. Okay. And God bless. I hope this video really love you and you love my video as well. Okay. Okay. Just relax. Okay. People say keep calm and trade forex. Okay. Remember, really keep calm and trade forex. And that will really helps you. Okay, that will really helps. Okay, see you. Okay. Yeah, nice music. This is really good, right? Remember to follow me. I'm trying to be a YouTuber right now. Come on, come on. All right, remember to subscribe. Here or there? I don't know. Anyway, okay. Remember, I won't be very. I will be very nice to you. Okay, right? Because we're all human beings. Okay, right? See you again. Okay, I guess I guess they are trying to ask me. Oh, coming down. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, right. See you, man. Yeah.
lamps. They have builded him an altar in the evening dews and damps. I can read his righteous sentence.